Okay guys, today I'm going to teach you guys how to refill your Zippo lighters, whether you have the slim one, the regular size. So yeah, you're going to need your lighter first thing of all. Then you're going to need your lighter fluid, this is the one I have. And you can have the black one, the Zippo mix. And you're going to need a toothpick. First, you open it, pull it out, then you look at the bottom. You see that little circle? That's when you take your toothpick and you pick it out. Then you lift it, and in there is where you put the liquid. Then make sure, then you push it in. Then you put it back in the case, like so. And you test it out. That's it. Thank you.